In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the 3D compiler underscore 47 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So first is you have to check your system type. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. And here you'll find the system type. So simply take note of that and then open a browser. It could be any of the browser that you have on your Windows. And simply search for the missing DLL file and put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option, then scroll down, and you can find the download button corresponding to your system type. So choose the first version and click on the download button and wait for that to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Right click on it and then you have to select extract all. Click on extract. Now copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive and then locate the Windows folder by scrolling down. Locate the System 32 folder. So here's the thing, if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System 32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW 64. And then simply paste what you have copied, paste, and click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to restart your Windows. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And again, open a browser. In the search bar, search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down, and then you have to click the link corresponding to your system type. And once you have downloaded the link, just simply click on that and install the Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows 11. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.